This is the notebook that I used to perform the analysis. Uh, these are the variables that are in the data set. Name of the participant of the survey, not relevant for the analysis. Gender, let's check that if it is relevant. Age, ranging from 18 to 60. City, 98 different cities. Working professional is student. If the participant is either a professional or a student, it doesn't specify if it's both student and professional. The name of the profession, if employed, if not, I will assume that it is a student. Degree, such as the graduate, postgraduate, bachelor degree, master's degree. Academic work pressure ranging from 0 to 5. CGPA cumulative, global point average. Study satisfaction, job satisfaction, sleep duration, dietary habits, work study hours. If the participant have ever had suicidal thoughts, financial stress, family history of mental illness, and this is the target variable, which is the depression risk. First, we're going to start by importing the packages for data manipulation, data visualization, uh, statistics, label and coding, statistics, uh, machine learning models, and evaluation packages for the, the models. These are the data sets, train data set, test data set, and the original data set with the survey data. We're not going to use the test set here because the test set is to submit the results into Kaggle. So let's start by gathering basic information. So I just plotted the total number of rows for the training set, one, 140, 19 columns, and there are 18% of these data sets contains observations with people that uh, are at risk of depression. This is the data set, first 5 rows. So here are the name of the participant, the gender, female, male, age, city, and all other variables that I mentioned earlier. Uh, these are the data types and the number of null values. All the data types are correct. There are some missing values, and we're going to check that. These are some descriptive statistics for the training data set. As I said, the age ranges from 18 to 60. Academic pressure rate ranges from 1 to 5. And let's just go down here. So age range 18 to 60. Academic pressure 1 to 60. Actually, 1 to 5 contain NAs. As we can see here, a lot of NAs. So cumulative grade point average ranging from 5 to 10. The average is 7.66, which is pretty good. Uh, Indians are smart. 7.60 on average is it's a pretty good grade, I think. Lots of NAs, considering that the CGPA is just for students, and there are a lot of people that are not students that actually, I think most of the data set contains professionals, not students. Study satisfaction ranging from 1 to 5, average 2.94. It's not that bad as well. 3 out of 5, it's good. Job satisfaction ranging from 1 to 5, average 2.97. Yeah, not that bad as well. Half of them are uh, above, below 3. It's not that bad as well. Work study hours. 0 to 12 average 6.25. This average is the average of the work hours and study hours as well. Didn't find a way to like separate these hours. Uh, so uh, this is not like a reliable average because uh, it should be average work hours for student, two variables, one for students and the other one for professionals. And financial stress ranging from 1 to 5, average 3. Most people suffer from financial stress since 3 out of 5, and 18% of the people are depressed. Here are the missing values. I can see that there are a lot of we can see that there are a lot of missing variables, especially for study satisfaction, since these are just for students, GPA as well. Academic pressure. So as we can see here, it tells us that most of the data set comes from professionals, not students. There are no duplicates, and this is the testing set. It's not relevant, as I said, it's just to submit in the um, Kaggle competition. The original survey data, so there are 2,556 rows, 19 columns. 18% of the observations comes from people with risk of depression. So uh, it's the same as the training set. This is the first 5 rows, it's the same. The data types are the same, the columns as well. The distribution of close, but not exactly the same as the training set. Uh, it's like the same proportion of missing values that contained in the training set. No duplicated as well. No duplicated combined with name, gender, age, and city. So there are no. Let's presume that there are no. The observations are independent. Here we're gonna start by exploring the data by performing exploratory data analysis. Here I just rename the column, so uh, I replace the space with the underscore, the slash for the underscore as well, and I rename this column just to suicidal thoughts. Here we apply this this list to the columns, and here we checked the synthetic data set to check the distinct values. So here we have gender, male, female, age ranging from 18 to 60, and name and city. As we can see here, there are a lot of incorrect data. So this might be the name of someone. So this is incorrect. Everything below here are incorrect. And the same as for the profession. So in the synthetic data, there are a lot of wrong profession as well. Okay, academic pressure, CGPA, sounds good. And sleep duration. So we are going to combine to remove these sleep duration as well, since it's just a few rows. Dietary habits. We're just going to consider these three: moderate, unhealthy, and healthy. Uh, Degree. We are again going to remove all of these degrees. So this is the original data set. Everything's correct. How are we gonna do that? So basically, what I've done is just I filter on the training set. For example, for city, I just filter the city that are in the original data set. So if it is on the original data set, then we're going to select these CDs. The same for the